Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking fried mackerel. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have cornstarch, lemon, butter, rosemary, salt and pepper, olive oil, eggs, and mackerel. So we'll mix the ingredients and then we'll proceed to cooking. First thing we're gonna do is we have to chop the rosemary and into real fine. We're gonna mix this with our ingredients so the fish will taste a lot better. Okay. Okay, let's put salt and pepper on the fish. Okay. There you go. And we're gonna apply salt on both sides. All right. All right. Now we're gonna apply the pepper. All right. Okay. All right. Both sides. There you go. And then we will apply the rosemary. Okay. There you go. Then we will set this aside. And then we're gonna beat the eggs. Okay, there you go. And the other one. Okay. All right. Now we put our cornstarch. Okay. Now we'll dip the fish into the egg and then on the cornstarch. There you go. Dip. And then on the cornstarch. Right. Okay. There you go. One more on the egg, then on the cornstarch. All right. Sure that this is all covered. All right. There we go. Now on a hot pan here, we put olive oil, and the oil is hot now. We're gonna put butter. Okay. We're gonna let the butter melt. Okay. Alright. And there you go. Alright. And once all the butter is melted, you're gonna put the fish. I think the fish is gonna put the fish meat facing down. Okay. There you go. There you go. We're gonna cook this for the next 3 minutes. Now we're gonna turn the fish over, flip it over. Okay. There you go. Wow, looks good. Wow. Cook this for another 3 minutes. Here is the finished product, fried mackerel. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.